this demonstration. We thank you for your attention and wish you a great day.
Automatically removes internal moisture for reliability in all environments. Transferable engine technology ensures long-term performance with quick engine swaps and consistent light quality across your inventory. TE modules store key usage data, accessible via the fixture display or on a mobile via NFC app. With options for high performance, high color rendition, warm white or multispectral LED engines, you get the right engine and the right fixture at the right time. Specifically for television work, we have developed a plus and minus green channel and the C-Pulse flicker-free management system for all vision systems including HD and UHD cameras, all controllable directly from your console. Our innovative airlock system, meaning less optical cleaning, this technology not only aids noise reduction, but also dramatically reduces the levels of airborne particles drawn over the optics, keeping them in pristine condition for far longer. Brilliance. EMS, electronic motion stabilizer technology. For instant stop, removing the inherent wobble caused by fixture momentum. Our patented MAPS, motionless absolute positioning system, allows for full pan and tilt calibration whilst remaining static. Incredibly useful when deploying the fixtures in confined spaces. And the precise needs of theatrical dimming are catered for with our super smooth L3 low light linearity dimming system, producing imperceptible fades to black. Thank you for watching. To find out further information, please ask one of the Roby sales team or visit the demo studios.
As we conclude this demonstration, we thank you for your attention and